we are smoking our club captain is shite pack. Happy New Year. Same old captain. Very nearly same old Arsenal. However, bless up Thomas Partey. Bless up Ethan. Bless up Timber. Bless up Jesus and Gabriel Martinelli and our goalkeeper. Some shockers out there today. Some absolute shocker. But Lee, just be happy we won the game. Shut up. Nobody cares. That's your tears I'm drinking. That's the tears. I had a biblical stinker and hooked, by the way. Turned up an hour and a half late for my own watch-along. That's how we roll. We started the year as we mean to go on. Stinker and hook, lads. However, second half we dominated. And fair play. Yeah, I thought we were really good in the second half. Even though our captain was shocking again. But you're not allowed to say that because he runs around. Yeah, anybody who watched that game, yeah, would see that he picked the ball up, had 13 touches. He does that skippy thing. Yeah. And people clip this up and go, why is he moaning? They won the game. Hey, shut up, mate. The guy's trash. Yeah. That guy should not even be in our team, let alone captain, innit? Yeah. Skipped around, 13 touches, spun around in the penalty box and passed it backwards. Yeah, there was another chance he had. Yeah, in the first half. Yeah, where he dropped a shoulder, slap it. No, he didn't want to slap it, lads. He said, no, I don't slap it. I'm Martin Odegaard. Yeah, I'm Snotgaard. Yeah, I'm just going to run around and snot in my hair. So what did he do? Instead of taking the shot, he takes another touch and then plays an under-hit pass out to the left. Wow. And people wonder why we ain't going to win a title. Yeah, well done. We got the 3 points. Fantastic. Brentford's not an easy game. Yeah, let's be real with it. Yeah. How Thomas Partey stayed on the pitch the whole game is crazy, by the way. And that's not because he was bad, because I thought he was man of the match. I thought he was superb. Yeah, but when we've got Timber suspended for Brighton, why are you keeping him on the pitch? Because we all know you're going to play Partey at right back. So why is he on the pitch still, bruv? Jorginho getting pity minutes and that. Yeah, Jorginho should have come on before. As soon as it went 3-1, get Partey off. Timber suspended. Oh, let's talk about the sweet prince. Oh, Calafiori. Oh, Calafiori. Oh, my God. He runs around with his long mane of hair like a wild horse. Bruv, you're tapped. The guy's a scrub. That guy is a liability. I swear, Dad, you know my thoughts on Zinchenko, yeah? Zinchenko's a better player than him. Zinchenko is a better defender than him. But they don't fancy Zinchenko because he looks like Bart Simpson. They fancy the Italian stallion, though. Crazy work from this zesty fan base. Crazy work. Mikel Merino. Oh, but Lee, he scored. He's trash. He's trash. Yeah, don't let that goal fool you. He's trash. He's rubbish. That midfield was getting overrun at times. However, second half, we stepped up. Gabby Jesus. Well done to you, mate. Fair play. Yeah, you played really well today. Yeah, you got your goal. Yeah, you played fantastic second half. Martinelli. What a goal that was, by the way. Oh, and where did that goal come from, guys? Oh, that came from Ethan not taking a billion touches and squaring it to Odegaard, who would have took another billion touches and then passed it backwards. He took a touch and then crossed the ball. Yes, the cross didn't land at Martinelli. But guess what? When you take an early cross, you cause bedlam and panic and mayhem in the box. Liverpool did that for how many years under Klopp? Get the ball cross. Get the ball cross. Get the ball cross. Causes panic, bruv. Ethan caused panic with that cross. Martinelli, fantastic finish, mate. Well done to you. Yeah, and I've been on your case all season. And yeah, fair play to you, mate. You were good today. Yeah, you were very good today. Very, very good. Yeah, the goalkeeper, that long throw he made. Yeah, it was crazy. Martinelli 4 years ago would have got that as well. Martinelli now has lost a yard of pace, and the keeper did well to come out and head it out. Yeah, but centre backs, yeah. Let's go with Gabriel first. Gabriel Magalhaes. How many times did you see him in the game having a go at our captain? Because I see him do it 3 times. But Lee, we won. Why are you taking the negatives out the game? Yeah, hold that. We have 9 games this month. 9. Brighton next. We play like that against Newcastle. We're finished. We play like that against Man United. They'll probably get a result. Fucking Man United. I swear, if them fuckers knock us out the cup, yeah, just nah. Tottenham, if they get anything against us, nah. Aston Villa. We know that Morgan Rogers is going to dog walk our midfield. Why did Declan come on today, by the way? He was on the bench because he's injured, lads. So why is he playing? Oh, I'll tell you why he's playing. Because the bench stinks. That's why. But don't worry, guys. Why didn't Skelly start the game? Oh, but he's only young. Look at what's happened to Saka. Really? Well, Saka's played 4 years straight, mate. So why can't Skelly play 3 games straight? Yeah, and he was good when he came on, by the way. Big up Skelly. Yeah, bless up to him. Yeah, Timber. That close to being my man of the match today. Yeah, Thomas Partey shades it. I thought he dictated the play in the second half, especially. Yeah, and he was our best player in the first half as well. Him and Gabby Jesus. Yeah, I thought they were quality. But yeah, for me, Thomas Partey dictated that midfield. Especially second half. Yeah, but like I said, he should have got subbed off. He's going to play it right back against Brighton in 3 days. Yeah, William Saliba and Timber on that right-hand side. That is cool as a cucumber, bruv. Calm, composed, chilled. Yeah, they win their duels. Yeah, Gabriel Magalhaes. Yeah, I think he's been our best defender for 2 years. Yeah, and I thought he was good again today. Yeah, and the fact that he was having to go at our captain 3 times, yeah, bless up to you, bruv. Yeah, bless up to you. Yeah, the captain trotting back, just jogging. Trotting back, jogging. Doing all this. I told you before, yeah, and I'll tell you again. Don't watch the ball, watch the captain. Why can't we get fucking player cam anymore? Give me player cam back. Yeah, and I'll just go player cam on Odegaard for the whole game. That guy is a scrub. Yeah, get that guy out the team, we'll be better. I'm convinced. Get him out the team, we'll be better. Oh, we can't get him out the team because we ain't got anyone to replace him. Oh, okay, cool. But don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. Fabio Vieira might be back. We're saved. Yeah, the same scrub. Yeah, that they sold to us, Porto, that we deemed not good enough, so loaned him back to Porto, that we might now get back. What's a football club? Yeah, but Lee, you're only 6 points behind Liverpool. And fucking what, mate? Yeah, and what? You better beat Newcastle. I know we've got Brighton next. You better fucking beat Newcastle, mate. Yeah, and you better beat them good, otherwise we're finished. Yeah, you better beat Man United. You better beat Tottenham, and you better beat Aston Villa. Yeah, by the end of this month, we'll be 13 points behind Liverpool. 13. You've heard it here first. But listen, real talk. Bless up to everyone who supported the channel in 2024. Yeah, hair flicks and all of that. It's like a wild horse with his long mane of hair. Say hi to Declan. Yeah, well done, mate. Yeah, well done. You got Flowers and Henry Talks Bollocks out here going, oh my God, what a great, fantastic smashing. They smashed them. No, we didn't smash them, bruv. What are you talking about? Yeah. And then you got Top Gooner sitting on Twitter saying, yo, that was a hard game. We weren't great today. It's almost like them 2 dickheads are lying, isn't it? Oh, of course they are. Yeah. Bless up to everyone who supported this channel in 2024. 2025, we're going to the moon, bruv. Yeah, we're gone. Yeah, we're gone. I appreciate every single one of you. Yeah, whether you like me, don't like me, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, because I'm still going to rock up for an emergency meeting after I've done Kenny and Jez fan cams. Yeah, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Then I'll be back again the next day. Then I'll be back again the next day. 2 days off. 2 days off. 2024. Bless up to every single one of you. I appreciate you all, honestly. Yeah, this shit could end tomorrow. Yeah, then what do I do? Because I can't sell double glazing out here, mate. Then what? So now, bless up to all of you lot. I appreciate you, man. Bless up to everyone who tuned into the watch along. Bless up to everybody who called me as well. Yeah, or text me. Because I had a stinker, mate. I can't lie. I didn't hear the alarms. I set 4 of them, 3 of them. Yeah, didn't hear them. And it's that alarm on the iPhone. Didn't hear it, mate. Yeah, it turned up 30 minutes into the game. Yeah, bless up to every single person who called me, even my missus. Yeah, bless up Northside and his missus, because his missus called my missus. Yeah, and then my missus, that was the call I eventually heard. Yeah, well, I say heard. I'm on do not disturb and silent. Yeah, but that was the call that I picked up. Bless up to everyone, man. I appreciate that you look out for me. I appreciate that you ride Pauls. Yeah, I appreciate you listen to me, you rebuttal me, you call me out. Yeah, and all the people that don't like what I do, tough, because this year I'm going deeper and harder, bruv. Pauls, hold that. And on that bombshell, we're out. Yeah, get this captain out, mate. 2025 is the year this captain needs to fuck off. Yeah, he is not a captain. Yeah, he's a scumbag and he shouldn't be in our club, mate. There's a reason Madrid binned him and kept Dani Ceballos. And by the way, Madrid play in 2 days' time. We will be there. And Dani Ceballos will probably be there as well. Love. Cronky out. Bye.